What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dylan from the Rideshare Hub, and in today's video we have an incredible update about how Uber has just paid their drivers, and Lyft by the way, a lot of money, and this could potentially be the turning point for drivers making a ton of money again. So please thumbs up the video. Before I get started, I want to thank our sponsor, Solo. As you can see, I got the merch on right here. Solo is an incredible business app for gig workers, and they're actually providing drivers with a guaranteed pay amount. $37 in a single hour going out and driving for Lyft. We are on their website here, the Rideshare Hub, the Rideshare Guy. Everybody is promoting this awesome, incredible app. When you use our link to sign up right now, you get started for free. They're gonna send you $15 just for linking your gig account. You have to use our link though in order to qualify for that. So they have a pay guarantee feature, which is super awesome. Look at that, go out and drive for DoorDash, $38. Make sure you take advantage of that right now with our link below. Thank you, shout out Solo for the sponsor, and let's get started. So, Uber and Lyft prices surged out of control in San Francisco on the first night of Outside Land. So if you're in San Francisco right now, you wanna make sure you're driving because surge pricing is really giving drivers a lot of money. Drivers are getting huge paydays. It's a tale as old as time. The music festival ends and people need to get home. Unfortunately, a few mile trip back to your apartment always ends up being a nightmare. Yeah, you're gonna have to go through this. You're gonna, really have to seek out your rider, call them on the phone, be like, hey, what are you wearing? Meet me at this corner, figure out a strategy. Maybe they even have to walk a few minutes to find you. But yeah, I mean, passengers, they're desperate. Look at them. They're, this girl's hunched over. She wants to get home. She doesn't mind paying a couple $100 to take an Uber back. It's only gonna, take you about 20 minutes or so. So crank up the surge price, the surge multiplier, to try to soften the travel apocalypse. Outside Lands runs extra Muni service throughout the festival with added buses along the 5-hour Fulton bus on the north end of Golden Gate Park, and more service along the Njuda light rail south of the park. However, despite these additional reinforcements, other bus routes like the 38 Gary were swamped shortly after the festival let out. If you've ever been to a music festival, you know how crazy it is. Up until 9 p.m., a short trip costs around $20, trip to Oakland, $45. However, as dueling headliners Zaw, Phoebe Bridgers, and Disclosure began letting out at 10 p.m., prices surged wildly, with that same 4-mile lower Hate trip costing $62 and that Oakland ride costing $140. Keep in mind, your passengers, most likely, they're gonna be kind of tripping out. They just spend the whole day at a festival. You're gonna get some wonky passengers, so make sure you're well equipped, I'll put it that way. But $140, guys. That's only like a 20-minute ride. Oh, maybe that's across the bridge. I don't know exactly where Outside Lands is, but it's probably like in San Francisco, so you gotta go across the bridge. It could be around a 30-minute ride, honestly. Maybe 40 minutes, but $140 in less than an hour? Count me in. So, I mean, they're warning passengers, but I'm telling you drivers, get out there and make that money because you could be making a ton. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Again, check out the link down below for Solo. When you use our link to sign up, you can get signed up and started. And they do have a free version nationwide. They say the average driver takes home $5,000 more a year. It's tax deductible. You can start your free trial. They're gonna send you $15 just for using our link. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.